everyone, so I have another PinchMe box to share with you. I haven't gotten a PinchMe box that's close together to the last one in a while, so they must be stepping up their game. So PinchMe is free samples. They're usually on the site like every third Tuesday or second Tuesday of the month is how they used to do it. So there's the website if you're interested. So I'm going to start with this first. This actually came in a separate package. I just got it by itself. It's the Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask with avocado extract. It says it's new. And then it looks like there's different kinds. And so here's what came in my box. I love the color of the box this month too. It's really cute. So I'm going to start off with this. I got a sample of the Starbucks Plus medium roast coffees. I got 2 in there. It looks like it's medium roast and dark roast. And I don't have a Keurig at home, but my work does, so I may take these to work and use them. So I'm excited to try those, and when you're at work, you always need a plus. And then I got a coupon for a free Graze box. I've gotten a Graze box before and I really liked it. I just never purchased another one. So I may do that. Then I got a sample of the New Therapy Power Beats on the go. It looks like you add it to your water. Not really something I use. Suggested use as a dietary supplement. And then I got a sample of the Vagisil Scent Sensitive Scents Daily Intimate Wash with White Jasmine. It smells pretty good. And then I got a wipe, a Vagisil wipe, and a coupon. Get $1 off. They throw really random stuff in there. I got a sample of the Next Care product Band-Aids, which, I mean, you can always use Band-Aids. And then it comes with a coupon. Then here is a $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 boxes of HelloFresh. I wonder if there's a catch to that. I'll have to check that out. And then here is $3.50 off any Power Beats. So yeah, that is my random PinchMe box. Thank you guys for watching.